Welcome to our short video about tactical project management with Microsoft Project Online, one part of a series on this topic. In this video, we'll talk about advantages you can get from creating a project inside Microsoft Project Online. If you're watching on YouTube, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell to get notifications about new content. If you're watching on LinkedIn, please like, comment, or share. If we're going to talk about tactical project management, also sometimes referred to as adaptive project management, we also need to talk about strategic portfolio management, project and portfolio management, and then tactical project management. Strategic portfolio management gives your executive team the ability to work the way they need to work to help your business be successful. Strategic portfolio management solutions enable top-down planning so that your executive team can select the right programs and projects and balance out resources, costs, and benefits across fiscal periods. From your SPM system, you can drive project initiation and reporting through multiple purpose-built tactical project management systems for successful project planning and execution, and it also allows you to roll up the project, program, and resource information back to the SPM to provide visibility to program and project progress and give you the visibility to the relationships between them. UMT360 is a good example of a strategic portfolio management solution. See our related video about using UMT360 for strategic portfolio management. Project and portfolio management systems give you a little bit of everything. Most of them grew out of an assembly of tactical project management systems. So, for example, standalone project management systems were rebuilt around a centralized database for projects and resources. Then additional capabilities were added, like some for portfolio management selection capabilities. Because PPM systems come from tactical project management systems, it isn't surprising that they normally have some pretty good tactical project management capabilities. Microsoft Project Online is a great example of a PPM system. And that brings us around to the tactical project management system. Sometimes these are called adaptive project management systems. These allow you to organize your projects as your project managers need them to be ordered in order to be successful. If you need specific capabilities for waterfall, agile, or even bimodal project planning and execution, you'll look to a tactical project management system. They should include features that help you with project-specific resource management, risks and issues, project document management, progressing the project, and more. Examples of tactical project management systems include Microsoft Project, Microsoft Azure DevOps, Jira, Smartsheet, and more. Here's a list of some of the things you can do with a tactical project management system. Let's look at some of this in Microsoft Project. We'll start by creating a project. Each project can be classified as a type as you define it. That could be something to do with the size, or the work being done, or the type of methodology used, or the business division, and the list can go on. Project types drive Microsoft Project Online to deliver unique features for each project type based on your configuration. In turn, this sets up your project teams with the right tools to successfully deliver the project. Let's look at 3 capabilities of project types. Project types can each have workflows that are in place to help you move your projects forward with governance and standards. There are 2 types of workflows. We might talk about horizontal processes that help your team move projects forward. These can include a variety of stages and gates. We might also talk about vertical processes. These might be automatic routing of work on the project, things like automatic change requests, lessons learned, document reviews, and so on. These workflows help you ensure that you're driving good decisions and great project outcomes. Project schedule templates are started with a project type. These are based on your scheduling and project team's needs and can be as simple or sophisticated as you want. They can include generic resources to help you with planning and milestones to help you lay out standardized reporting, as well as a standard work breakdown structure with standard tasks. Starting with a standard helps your teams be more predictable and reliable in delivering your projects successfully. The project type can create your project site from a template. The project site is the place where your team will collaborate on work through a web browser. This might include options like your project document and folders, project risks and issues, apps like change requests, and more. The project site is configurable to meet your needs for your project teams. The project site can also define various automated process flows that go along with the project types. These can include project automation like workflows for change requests, document reviews and approvals, lessons learned, RFIs, HS&E observations, risks and issue actions, and more. Adding in aging reports lets you quickly find stalled processes where you're waiting for inputs and decisions and the process is stuck. With this information, you can escalate problems and move work forward. Automated business processes speed up your project work cycles and improve quality. Here we are at the web-based Project Center in Microsoft Project Online. From here we can see all of the projects that are part of the PPM system and that we have permission to. We're going to create a new project here by going to the Project menu and simply selecting New for the project. Here we can see a list of all of the projects that we have access to create. These are the project types. You might limit what your project team can see based on permissions and departments. As we initiate a new project, we're brought into a list of project information that we need to fill in. This is configured for you and can be as simple or sophisticated as you need. The Strategic Portfolio Management System might also look after this step through integration, allowing you to script directly to your new project. Microsoft Project now creates the project for you. Here's our project created from a template by project type and ready for a project manager to start working it. Here you can see the project workflow. This is the horizontal gating and stages and will be configured to fit your process. Here's the project schedule created from a template for this project type. You can see this one has some milestones in it and also some generic resources. And here's our project site, ready to go. When we drop into it, you can see the folder set is ready, giving the project team a centralized and standard place to collaborate on project documents. You can also see here our issues, and the risk list ready to be populated. If there were other elements that were defined as part of your project type, you'd see those in the project site as well. Let's review. Project types and schedule templates give your project teams the right tools to deliver the project, drives good decisions and great project outcomes, gets project started with a standard, are configurable to meet the needs of your project type or project team, and ultimately speed up your project work cycles and improve delivery quality. Western Principles is a Microsoft Gold certified project and portfolio management partner. We know Microsoft Project and can help you with all aspects of your project and portfolio management. We can also help you extend your PPM system with the Microsoft Power Platform or partner solutions like the Strategic Portfolio Management from UMT360 to help you drive more ROI from your tactical project management system. Let's get started together. Visit us on the web, call us at 1-800-578-4155 or email us at info@westernprinciples.com. We look forward to helping you.